Good day everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Google Drive. For those of you who don't know, Google Drive is a cloud storage service that allows you to store, share, and access your files from any device with an internet connection. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, making it an essential tool for both personal and professional use. In the past tutorials, I've mentioned that all of the softwares that is offered by Google such as Google Docs, Google Slides, and many more will be stored in the Google Drive of the account that you use to sign in within that software. And as you can see right here, if we access Google Drive, all of those files will be stored in our Google Drive. Now, in order for you to access your Google Drive, you do not need to download anything if you are in computer, either on Mac or in Windows like me. However, if you are using mobile devices, you need to download the Google Drive app from your Google Play Store or App Store, whichever is applicable. To access Google Drive, all you have to do is to search drive.google.com from your search bar. And as you can see, it opens up this homepage right over here. Now, you need to sign in with your Google account, but if you do not have an account, you can create one for free. Now, let us start with creating new files from Google Drive itself. Click on the New button on the top left corner right over here. And from the drop-down menu, you can create new Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and many more. Choose the type of file that you want to create. Let's say, for example, I want to create a new Google Docs file. And now as you can see, a new tab will open with the selected Google app where you can start working on your file. Now, if you want in-depth beginner's tutorial for these softwares right over here, we actually have a dedicated tutorial or beginner's guide for these. So you might want to check it out on our YouTube channel. Now, let us now move forward to uploading files to Google Drive. Click on the New button in the top left corner for once more, and click on the File Upload or Folder Upload, whichever is applicable for you, from the drop-down menu. In my case, I would like to upload a new file, so I will click File Upload. And from here, I can add whatever file I want from my directory in my computer. Now, let's say, for example, I want to insert or upload this sample image. Click on Open and wait for it to upload. The upload will start automatically and you will see the progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also drag and drop files from folders directly into your Google Drive window to upload them. Now, let us move forward to sharing and collaborating on documents in Google Drive. When it comes to sharing files and folders in Google Drive, all you have to do is to right-click on the file or folder that you want to share. Let's say, for example, this document right over here. Click on Share from the context menu right over here. And now from here, you want to enter the email address of the people you want to share with. But you can also choose if you want to have anyone with the link that can access your Google Docs file, or restricted in which only people with access to this Google Docs file can open this link. Now you need to choose their permission level, whether it's a viewer, a commenter, or editor. And if you have typed in an email address right here, click on Send. But if you're satisfied with this one, just click on Copy Link, send the link to them, and click on Done. Now, let us move forward to collaborating on documents. Now, let's say, for example, I chose this Google Docs file. First, you need to open up the document in which you want to collaborate on. Click on Share right here on the top right corner. And you can invite collaborators by entering their email addresses and setting their permission levels, just like what we did earlier. Now, collaborators can now view, comment, or edit the document in real time, like so. All I have to do is click on Copy Link and send them the link. Now, let us move forward to commenting and suggesting, just like what I've told you earlier. To add a comment, highlight the text or object you want to comment on and click the comment button right here. And now as you can see, I can add a comment to this specific phrase that I have highlighted. To post your comment, all you have to do is to click on the comment button right over here. And now as you can see, Right here, we have posted our comment. Note that everyone that has access to this Google Docs can see your comment. Now to suggest edits, click on the editing button at the top right corner, right here, and then select suggesting. Now any changes you make will be suggestions that the document owner can accept or reject. Let's say for example, I want to delete this specific text right here. As you can see right here, we have now suggested that we would like to delete this specific text. Now to get back to editing mode, just click on editing. And now as you can see right here, we can choose to accept, like so, or reject the suggestion, like so. And that's pretty much it that you have to know when it comes to using Google Drive. To sum it up, Google Drive makes it easy to create, upload, share, and collaborate on files. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, Google Drive provides the tools you need to stay organized and productive. From here, I'll see you guys next time. And if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. Goodbye.